welcome to my channel, Imperfect Beauty. Today I just wanted to show you guys how to do an emerald green eye, and I tried to add some dimension and make it kind of a blended crease cut. So let's dive into this tutorial, and if you like my channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, or like this video. Thank you so much. So the first color that you're going to use is this gorgeous sparkly brown color from the Urban Decay Distortion palette. This color is called Territorial. I really love using this as a base color just because it's so flexible with all the other colors on the palette. And you're going to want to just put it all over your eye, and it creates dimension and depth for your next step, which is going to be the Hot Box color, which is a really pretty dark green. So on this step, you're going to want to spend a little more time just building and layering the product so that it turns out to be that perfect emerald color that you want. And I would put about maybe 3 to 4 layers of this so that the green really pops. And you want to make sure to just put this on the lower eyelid so that the brown still really shows through. And the next thing is to just blend it out. And you want to spend some time so that it looks seamless at this point between the brown and the emeralds. The next thing you're going to do is layer on the color called Shifty. It's an iridescent white, which makes the green pop even further. And one thing I like about this palette is that you could really layer on any of the colors on top of each other and it would create some really awesome colors. The next color we're going to use is actually called Bleach, and this has orange undertones to a white iridescence, and you just want to pop that onto the corner of your eye, and that will differentiate against the green and brown. The next thing you're going to do is clean up that area that I'm pointing out. So you take a little bit of concealer and you just sort of line with your brush around the area that you want to clean up and the shape that you want your eyeshadow to look like. And right now it's kind of in a larger area than I'd like it, so I'm just going to clean that up. And this is the time where you want to be more precise so that you don't undo all the work you just did. And you can simply just blend this out with your finger so that it matches the skin tone around your eyes. After that, you can just use the brush. I didn't put any extra pigment on there, but you can. But I'm just making sure that the eyeshadow is the shape that I wanted it to be in. One of the last steps we're going to do is just apply eyeliner. And I will start this at the end of the eyeshadow on my eyelid just so that I know what wing shape I want. And I want the wing shape to line up with the edge of the eyeshadow. And you just fill it in from there. The very last thing that you're going to do is just put on some mascara. And I usually will actually point the brush downwards and stroke first and then go upwards so that more of my lashes are coated with mascara. And there's your final look.